Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js Canva clone PDF editor directly inside browser. It can be used to edit your PDFs directly in browser. So we are running this on localhost 3000. The interface is quite simple. You actually select whatever PDF file you want to edit, and as soon as you select your PDF file, the PDF file will load right here. You will see that. And it will be displayed. You will be able to read the PDF file. We have all the controls, zooming in, zooming out. So we have the pages here. This is the first page. You can go to the navigate to the second page as well. And then we have these controls. You can switch to dark theme as well. So if you need this editor, the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So I written this from scratch. So this is actually the full directory structure. All the files are customizable, so it's coded directly inside TypeScript, so it will be easy for you to customize this. Once you purchase the source code, you will be able to see how I coded this. So you will see we are running this project locally. As you can see, npm run dev, this has started the local development server, and it's also easy for you to deploy this as well. So simply running the command npm run build, this will deploy the application. So coming back to the application, it's really simple. So once you select a PDF file similar to Canva PDF editor, you will be able to add text. Simply select the widget, and right here, wherever you need to add the text, simply add the text. You can even change the color as well by choosing this color picker and changing the color of the text as well. This is a pen tool. So you basically make the modification, go to the next page, do the same thing, just having the modification. You can change the color as well, just annotate, highlight everything you want to do. And then you have the button of exporting the PDF. So once you done your modifications, you can export your PDF file. So you will see all the changes that you have done. It's successfully reflected back in the output file. We have these, the PDF is successfully modified. So you don't need any fancy software. You can purchase this and directly edit your PDF files directly in the browser. Same, you can also draw your own signature as well. You will see you can digitally sign your PDF files and embed your signatures. You also have the ability to embed images, so which is really easy for you to do this. So once you select the image from the local file system, you can embed that image. Just place it accordingly wherever you need to. Adjust the size as well. So just adjust it. This is the signature that I already showed you. So then we have this pen tool for annotating, highlighting anything right here. And then lastly, we have this tool here for eraser. So if you want to erase something in the PDF, you can do this as well. So you can also change the size of the text as well. You can adjust the size here right here. So once you're happy, again you click the export button, give it a file name, and then automatically the PDF, you can see the image is also added. The PDF is successfully modified. So it's a simple static web application which directly runs in the browser. So it doesn't have a backend. So it's a single page static application. So once you get the source code, you will be able to easily add more features on this or use it. So it's fully customizable and it works on all devices, mobile, tablet, desktop. So you can easily earn a lot of revenue as well by just purchasing a domain name and deploying this application, and you can earn a lot of passive income as well. So, and specifically talking about the dependencies we have used, as you see, we are using this Tailwind CSS. We are also using PDF-LIB and PDF.js dist. So these are the two libraries that we have used. If you know, PDF-LIB is a really popular JavaScript library for editing your PDF files. So also we have used this library as well, PDF.js, which is created by Mozilla, PDF.js. So we have used these two libraries for this project, PDF editor. So I showed you all the capabilities, all the features of this. So if you are interested in this, you can purchase it. The link is given in the description. So you can add images, text, annotate, highlight, insert signatures. You can do all sort of things. So it's using Tailwind CSS, as you can see. For the user interface, we have used TypeScript here. For the actual language, it's a superset of JavaScript. So these are the scripts here for running this project locally or building out and deploying this. Directly runs, as you can see.